everyone, in this video I will teach you how to make a board secret so nobody else can see it. As an example, I have a board here which is locked. That means that only I can see it, and I have one that's unlocked here, which means that everybody can see it and it's public to everybody. So just to give you a quick example, click on your board that you wish to hide, and now up next to the name here you can see three small dots. Simply click here and go down to edit board and click again. Now, to make it secret, there is this button right here, keep this board secret. Simply click tick and click done. And now you can see that it says it's a secret board. And if we go back, you can see both of them are marked as secret. And to undo this, you can simply also click here, where you can also click to actually make it secret. And now you can untick it again and click done. And now it's public for everybody to see again.